Stop the hiccups! There they go! Bye-bye! See ya!
Guess I'm getting pretty hungry.
Oh, me too.
Well, then, anybody interested in a little snack?
A snack?
Yeah!
Help yourselves.
Aw, thank you, Timmy.
Oh, let's wash our hands first.
Yeah, but I'm hungry now, though.
The first one to get all cleaned up is the first to eat.
Huh?
Wait up!
Huh? Where is everyone? A snack for me?
Munchie?
Huh? Hey, Munchie, where did the snacks go?
No, Munchie, don't tell me you ate all the snacks.
Hey!
Huh?
The bubble maker is gone, too!
Huh?
That's not good.
Where'd it go? It was sitting right here. Huh?
So I might have eaten the cookies.
Tell the truth, Munchie. Did you think the bubble maker was a cookie as well?
Why would I eat a bubble maker on purpose, Cody?
Looks like we've got a case of the hiccups to cure.
Oh, you know what? My mom taught me a little trick that'll work for sure. So, you ready, Munchie? Okay. Oh, well, that didn't work.
All right, it's my turn.
Huh? Huh.
Behold, this machine is guaranteed to help you. The mighty Hiccup Stopper.
Ooh, what does it do?
Let me show you. Pat, pat, pat. It'll pat your back until all your hiccups stop for good. Watch.
So, are the hiccups gone now?
Of course. That's the Made by Cody guarantee. Huh?
Hey, get back here! Where are you going, Munchie?
Oh, seriously? Oh, Munchie!
Whoa! Gotcha. Hey, Formy, are you sure the hiccups will stop if you stick your tongue out long enough?
Don't be ridiculous. Of course I'm sure.
You got this, Munchie.
Like this?
A little longer.
Keep going. You're doing great.
This could really be the cure. Ugh, maybe not. Munchie, you okay? Are you better now?
Oh, the hiccups are gone.
Wow, really? It worked!
Hey, look! It's our snacks! Amazing!
Huh? Curie? Huh? Huh? Oh! Oh no! Let's take a picture.
Hey, looking good, Cody.
Hello?
Oh,
Anyone home?
yep, in here.
Hey, look! There's going to be another photography contest in town. You won one of the prizes last year, didn't you? Was it third place?
Second. I decided to let someone else win. I'm nice like that.
Of course you are. Well, anyway, the theme is fun memories with friends.
What is the most fun thing to do? Oh, I've got it. We'll take a picture at your house while we're all playing, okay?
Absolutely.
This time, first place is all mine.
This good?
Yup, perfecto. Huh? Hang on. Where's Curie? Curie! Where are you? Ah! Huh? Oh, Curie! Huh? Oh, come on. Wake up. It's time to be in my award-winning photo. Oh, you couldn't sleep last night? It's just one picture, I promise. Please. You will? Oh, thank you. Everyone, Curie's here. Let's take the picture.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh.
Hey, for me.
Ah,
You're gonna cover my face in the shot.
I'm better looking.
Okay, now I need everyone to spread out.
How's this? We're ready. Ta-da! Oh, no fair. I don't want to do this.
Yeah, well, me neither.
No, come back! Please! Kongsuni, wait!
Sounds like someone's a little hungry. Maybe we need to find a snack?
Yeah, good idea, Timmy.
Oh, looky. Here.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Oh, I'll have to make some tasty sandwiches later when everyone gets hungry.
More fruit.
Oh, hey, Munchie, did you eat these? These are peppers, not fruit.
Now, I'm gonna get a great shot of both of you. You ready?
We're ready. Go!
Come on! Position! Here it comes! And 1, 2, and...
Run! Sorry, I gotta go.
Can you wait just a little longer? It'll be up.
Well, that does make sense. Munchie drank a lot of water.
Okay, I'm ready now. Let's do it. Time for my close-up.
Now it's time to make some magic. Here goes!
Ready? Take the photo.
One more!
What?
I can't work like this!
No!
Ah, that's the one!
The most popular photo prize in this year's contest goes to Cody!
Thank you!
Congrats, Cody!
A big thank you to all my friends. I this without you. Now say cheese!
Is Cody riding a new two-wheeler? How did Cody learn so fast? I still have my training wheels on, but not for long. I can learn just as fast as Cody. Starting today, I'm gonna practice. Oh, I wonder how tippy it'll be. I'm gonna need a helmet, and maybe Timmy. Timmy! See you next time on New Kongsuni and Friends!